GRYP, a stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. I'm answering whether this thing is a buy or not for me, so make sure to stick to right around the end. And first thing that I have to mention with Gryphon digital mining is that it's great performance. You know, 30% up is sick. This is how this looks like for me. You know, after the crazy pump, I was like, yeah, I'll open mine up for the likelihood that this thing just continues to come down is quite high. But we actually broke the structure up, which this can put us into a very beautiful and bullish next week. So because I never got this double break, I'm just forgetting the idea of the bearish side, you know, taking place. And in this particular instance, because we broke these highs, the only thing that I would care is about doubling down on these highs. So I'm just going to mark up the top, and this is my demand zone here. Only if I do see it falling down and actually giving me some sort of a shift, I'm going to look to buy. Other than that, just pure noise. So let me know what is your opinion on GRYP. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just purely waiting. You can see I have just so many freaking receipts in my Discord regarding this, but if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.